Good morning students. Welcome to online class from Sheba Group of Schools. Let's move to the class. First you have to take a science class work, this type of note, and take 192 pages, one side rule. This note having a one side only. Okay, you have to write this page only, you have to write the class work, and this page for using a drawing. And take first page, you can write the name, your name, and class, third standard, subject, science. You have to write here. And take next page and leave first page and can start writing here. Let's start write the classwork. Now let's start write the classwork. How will you write the classwork? You have to take this page and first you have to put the margin. Eppadi neenga margin poduvingama? You have to put the first line here using scale and pencil, and you have to leave two lines. You have to leave two lines, and next line you have to put the margin here using pencil and scale. Okay, you have to put the margin this way and write the lesson name in the center line. These two lines you have to use the lesson name and put the date here 2/9 and lesson states of matter. You can write this way lesson name. Okay, and first term letter you can write this line dictation words 5. Okay, this is the first term letter dictation words 5. Number 1, matter. M-A-T-T-E-R. Matter means தன்மை. ஒவ்வொரு பொருளுக்கான தன்மையை சொல்றது matter. Number 2, melting. M-E-L-T-I-N-G. Melting means உருகுதல், உருக்கப்படுதல் சொல்லலாம். ஓகேவா? Number 3, freezing. F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G. Freezing means இறுக்கமா, அதாவது ஃப்ரீசிங் மீன்ஸ் உரைக்கப்படுதல். சரியா? ஃப்ரீசிங் நம்ம ஃப்ரீசர் பாக்ஸில் வச்சு உரைய வைக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அதுதான். நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்பர் 4, பர்னிங். பர்னிங் மீன்ஸ் எரிய வைக்கிறது. நம்பர் 5, வால்யூம். வால்யூம் மீன்ஸ் அளவு, ஒவ்வொரு பொருளோட அளவு சொல்கிறது தான் வால்யூம். அண்ட் தென் அகைன் ஐ டெல் யூ, M-A-T-T-E-R மேட்டர். மெல்டிங், M-E-L-T-I-N-G மெல்டிங். F-R-E-E-Z-I-N-G freezing. B-U-R-N-I-N-G burning. V-O-L-U-M-E volume. And you can write this, you have to leave the one line. Okay, don't continue the line, leave the one line and you can start writing. And you have to start writing the margin. Margin பக்கத்துல தான் எழுதணும், இங்க கேப் விடக்கூடாது. You can use the first letter capital. Okay, and then start second term letter. Fill in the blanks and 5. Fill in the blanks having 5. Number 1, the measure of matter in an object is called mass. Okay, the matter measure பண்றதுக்கு பேரு, யூஸ் பண்ற ஆப்ஜெக்ட் பேரு mass. And then change of liquid into vapor on heating is called evaporation. Evaporation means நம்ம பாயில் பண்ணும்போது மேல அந்த புகையா கேஸ் வருது இல்லையா, that is the evaporation. An example for liquid is water. Water means தண்ணி. The change of liquid into solid on cooling is known as freezing. Freezing means உறையிறது. An example for solid is stone. Stone means கல். I will write, you have first writing the heading, then you have to leave one line and start write number 1. If you have finished, you have to end of the section means you have to start the next line. இப்போ இந்த क्वेश्चन finish ஆகல, அப்ப என்ன பண்ணணும், next லைன்ல தான் நீங்க ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணனும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட்ல ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி ஒரு லைன் லீவ் பண்ண கூடாது. தேர்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ல இருந்து லைன் லீவ் பண்ணாம தான் எழுதணும். ஒரு क्वेश्चंस ஃபுல்லா முடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், லைன் லீவ் பண்ணனும். Okay, clear children? You have to start writing the first question and end of the section here, you can continue it and finish the answer only. Can start writing the second. Leave the line and start writing the second one. And you have to write the finger gap here. ஒவ்வொரு word finish பண்ண உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும், you have to using the finger gap. Compulsory you have to using a finger and write. Okay, உங்க finger வச்சு தான் நீங்க எழுதணும். ஒவ்வொரு வேர்டுக்கு நடுவுல finger gap compulsory இருக்கணும். Okay, if you are finishing means you have to underline the answer. You have to underline the answer. And after finishing the Roman letter, you have to put in the line. ஒரு Roman letter நம்ம finish பண்ண உடனே என்ன பண்ணணும், put the line. Okay. Next you can start writing the third Roman letter. Answer the following 2. Okay. First you have to read the question. What are the 3 states of matter Give examples. Again I read you. What are the 3 states of matter? Give examples. You finish the question means you have to leave only one line. Then you have to write answer here. ANS. Okay. Then you have to leave the 2-finger gap. After only you can start writing the answer. Okay. 2-finger gap. You have to leave the 2-finger gap. Next you can start writing the answer. The 3 states of matter are solid, example wood, liquid, example water, gas, example water vapor. Once again I tell you, the 3 states of matter are solid, example wood, liquid, example water, gas, example water vapor. After you finish the first question, you have to put the margin. Now let's start the second question. What is melting? After finishing the first question, second question, you have to leave another one line. Then you can start writing the answer and leave 2-finger gap. Change of solid into liquid in heating is called melting. After you finish this answer, you can write the example. You can write the example means you have to leave the one line. Example எழுதும்போது ஒரு line leave பண்ணிட்டு தான் fresh pageல fresh lineல example எழுதணும். Okay children? Example, if ice is heated, it changes into water. Once again I tell you, what is melting? Change of solid into liquid in heating is called melting. Example, if ice is heated, it changes into water. After finishing this one, you have to put the line. Next, you can start writing the 4th Roman letter diagram. You can write only the heading of the diagram here. You can draw in the diagram page. Okay, what is the diagram name? 3 states of matter. You can write it. After finishing this one, you can put the line and write the parent sign here. After finishing this heading, you can take the opposite page, unruled page. Okay, this type of page, unruled page. You can put the box first. Okay, you can put the box using a scale. You can draw like a box like this, and you can start writing the heading. What is the heading? Diagram heading. 3 states of matter. You can write the heading first. Clear children? 3 states of matter. Sharp your pencil children, and then you have to start writing the circle by using bangles. Okay, you can using a bangles to draw the circle for the 3 states of matter. Okay, you can draw the circle properly. You have to draw the 3 circles, so you have to give a space along with a space. After you draw the circles, you have to draw the molecules without gap. Okay, you can draw the molecules without gap. Idhula gap illama the molecules draw pananum kutti kuttiya. Okay va? You can write the name solid. This is a solid. You can write solid, and it is packed very tightly. It is packed very tightly. You can write in the, this is very packed tightly. Tightly means gap illama irukku. This is the packed very tightly. Then you can draw the second circle here. You have to give a 2-finger gap of the first circle. After finishing the circle, you can draw the molecules with a gap. Nalla gap, nalla 2 fingers gap itte enna pananum? The molecules draw pananum, because it is a liquid loosely packed. Okay, you have to draw the molecules as small things. Okay, chinnada konjama gap itte varanjittu you have to write the heading liquid, and you have to write loosely packed. And next you can draw the third circle here, center of the place. Okay, you can draw the third circle. You can draw the molecules, 3-4 things only. Okay, because it have a full of gas. Okay, you have to draw 3/4 molecules only, because it is very loosely packed. You can put the box properly, and you can write the heading of the diagram, 3 states of matter, and you draw the 3 circles here, solid, liquid and gas. Solid is have to fill the molecules without gap. You can, because it is packed very tightly. You can write the sentence. And liquid, you have to small things, you have to give a gap of the liquid, draw the molecules, and it is loosely packed. And gas, you have to only draw the 4 or 5 molecules only, because it is very loosely packed. Let us see the book exercise. Indicate whether the following statements are true or false. First question. Solids have a definite volume. Solids have a definite volume. It's true. Liquids cannot flow. Liquids cannot flow. False. We can melt any substance by cooling it. We can melt any substance by cooling it. False. Liquids can take the shape of the container. Liquids can take the shape of the container. True. Gases have a definite shape or volume. Gases have a definite shape or volume. False. Matter changes its state when it is added or removed. True. Matter changes its state when it is added or removed. True. A fuel is a substance which gives heat energy on burning. A fuel is a substance which gives heat energy on burning. True. Then you can start writing the matching and give the pictures here. You can draw the lines to correct match. Okay. This is the evaporation. That means gases. So you have to draw the gas. And this is charcoal. So you have to write the answer solid. And this is oil. It is a liquid item. So you have to draw the lines to liquid. And this is water. You have to draw the lines to liquid. And this is also one of the gas. So you have to draw the gas here. And apple is a solid substance, so you have to draw the line to solid. Next Roman letter, find me. They give the answer here. Liquid, water, wood. Then you have to read the question and match the answer. I am a 5-letter word. I am an essential need for your life. I remains in all the 3 states of matter. Who am I? The answer is water. I am a solid. I am obtained from the trees. I am useful for eating. Who am I? The answer is yes, wood. I am one among the 3 states. I have loosely arranged particles. I become vapor on eating. Who am I? You can guess what is the answer now? Yes, the answer is liquid. Next Roman letter. Which change of state is taking place? In each description below, use these words. They give the words here. You have to choose the question here. Okay, you can write, you can spell the word freezing, evaporation, condensation, melting. Once again I tell you, freezing, evaporation, condensation, melting. Now we can read the question. An ice cube turning to water. Then what is the answer? It is melting. Water turning to ice in a freezer. Then what of the state here? It is freezing. Change of liquid into vapor on heating. It is evaporation. A bathroom mirror misting up. It is a state of condensation. Once again I read you. An ice cube turning to water. It's melting. Water turning to ice in a freezer. Freezing. Change of liquid into vapor on heating. It's evaporation. A bathroom mirror misting up. Condensation. Okay students, now I finished the classwork. You have to write neatly and properly and use your finger gap to write the any word. You have to write it means you have to write the words properly and correct spelling, and then you have to put the margin using a scale and pencil, and you have to draw the diagram also neatly. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you students.